Okay, so I'm Vyom Shah. I'm 14 years old. I'm going to grade 10. I'm from Mumbai, Oberoi International School, JVLR. So attending this program has changed my perspective on AI a lot. Like before this program, I didn't know the inner workings of AI. So I just thought it was like something like you chatted to and it just gave you an answer after doing some research. But then I realized there are like huge implications of AI and it can solve so many other things, like all the projects that my peers are doing and what I'm doing. So up until now, the most inspiring moment that I had was when my model actually gave a good accuracy, because before that point it was giving me like 159% error for some like inhumane numbers. But then I like cracked my code literally and I figured out there were like multiple different errors that I had to solve, and I got it down to 11% error, which was like a really breakthrough moment, and I really worked hard for that. Like I had worked for 2 days straight to try and fix the model, and then finally I was able to get it working. So my mentor, who is Mr. Advait, he has supported me throughout the whole journey. Like he helped me from the start to the end. So for example, the dynamic pricing feature, I was not going to really include it at first. But then he told me then my project just becomes too niche and no one would really like it, which I agree with. So I was like, let me try and make it into a buddy and start adding new features that actually could be done in this 2-week span of time. So that's why we brainstormed together and came up with the dynamic pricing feature. So yeah. So my project is basically an AI retail store buddy. So basically it takes the historical data of that retail store and trains a model on it to make future predictions. So with that, basically we can make sure that we have enough inventory all the time and we don't like waste like products by them expiring or then stocking out. Also, another feature is the dynamic pricing, because nowadays a lot of different stores like in USA and all have used dynamic pricing, but that feature is still lacking back in India. So I wanted to make it so that these retail stores owners could maximize their profit based on the demand, and that's why I made a dynamic pricing feature as well. And in the future, I aim to like make it a full-on like AI retail store buddy. So like whatever feature that the store owner needs that's online, my project will have it. Like before this, I was more of a mechanical person. So this AI fellowship program has helped me think of the software side of things and AI. So like I always used to think software is not photogenic at all and it's really boring and it's just like not fun. But then I realized like what all implications it can have in the real world. And I realized that it's really fun to do as well and learn about all the things. That has been one of the changes. Also, obviously coming to MIT and all these amazing universities in this area really motivated me to try harder to get into these universities. So yeah.